The question that I want to pose to you is, what does Raoult's law state? And so that's Raoult's law. I'll give you a moment to think about this. Try to recollect. I hope you're almost done. All right, so basically, Raoult's law states that the more stuff you add to a particular fluid. So let's say you have this cylindrical container and it's brimming with fluid. So Raoult's law pertains to the fluid inside this container. And let's say this container is lidded, but prior to lidding it, you start adding stuff to it, like you sprinkle some salt, some sugar, I don't know, Lord knows what, okay? So, and now we're gonna lid. We're gonna cap this container off and seal it shut. So, and then now you have the presence of those things, those ions and particles in the fluid. So, as it pertains to the fluid, Raoult's law says that the more stuff, specifically the more substances, and substances can be salts, ions, etc., you name it. So, the more stuff you add, you decrease the vapor pressure. Okay? And vapor pressure is not the pressure on acting on the fluid, the ambient. It's actually the pressure that the fluid exerts on the container when it escapes from a liquid to gaseous phase. Okay? So as the more solutes you add to the solvent fluid, you decrease the vapor pressure. And that's because now the liquid molecules are interacting with these particles. So not only do you decrease the vapor pressure that the fluid exerts on the walls of the container, you also increase the boiling point. So you're now increasing boiling point, okay? And that's because you would need to input more energy. You need to flame this up way more to overcome the interactions between the particles and the solvent, okay?